Yesterday was an amazing and a fantastic day, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who made that possible. I hope that today is going to be just as great, not only for me, but for you as well. I hope you have an amazing and a fantastic day, and I'm working on bringing together a lot more to bring to you, not only on this platform on YouTube, but across various other platforms and specifically Patreon. In addition, we have more updates coming to the podcast and so many more great things to share with you that I really can't even begin to list them all right now. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I really do appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for watching these videos, liking these videos, sharing these videos. Thank you for your comments, your kind words, and thank you for subscribing. Now, I got to get back to work. And what I want to show you before this video is over is one of my creative processes of different ways that I create some of the thumbnail. And I just want to show you something really cool that I enjoy doing in my spare time, as I have the ability to learn different skills and use different applications and technology to my advantage and just have fun at the same time. All of these things work together to execute on my own personal passion of not only being creative, but also working from home, working remote, building my own income, and connecting and creating with other creatives. I hope you guys enjoy this. Until next time, you guys take care, be safe. I'll see you real soon. Bye.
Perfect.